How to change country on App Store on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, tap on your account at the top. This is your Apple account settings page. You can view and manage your personal information, sign-in and security, payment and shipping, subscriptions and other account settings from here. On this page, go to Media and Purchases. Then, tap on View Account below. You can manage your account settings from here. Scroll down and go to Country or Region. Search for or scroll down to find the country you want to change to and tap on it. And then, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily change country on App Store on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.